Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 10th of May 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.85%, settling the day at 39,387.76 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,346.27, rising 0.27%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,361.89 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,821. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,167, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII sold 6,994.86 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. India is projecting its biggest power shortfall in 14 years in June after a slump in hydropower generation, and is racing to avoid outages by deferring planned plant maintenance and reopening idle units. SBI says no plan to list asset management company despite attractive peer valuations. Asian Paints anticipates no disruptions in pricing moving forward, owing to stable raw material prices. Now talking about global aspects, the Bank of England has sent a new signal that borrowing costs will fall earlier and further across Europe than in the United States. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US surged by 22,000 to 231,000, the highest since August 2023, and sharply above market expectations of 210,000. WTI rose 0.3% to settle at $79.26, while Brent rose 0.4% to settle at $83.88 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.45%, up. The US dollar is trading at 105.14, up by 0.05. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty extended their losing streak toward the weakest levels amidst heightened volatility ahead of the general election results. The surge in volatility was compounded by global concerns over rising crude oil prices, leading to apprehensions regarding inflation. Consequently, foreign investors exerted selling pressure on the indices. The key indices Sensex and Nifty declined by more than 1.5% to settle the day at 72,404.17 and 21,957.50 respectively. Only the automobile sector traded in a bullish trajectory while all other sectors traded negatively. Outlook for the day: in Nifty, the immediate resistance is identified within the 22,200 to 22,300 range. Conversely, immediate support is observed at the 21,800 mark. After it started trading below 21,800, then we can see 21,500 level. For upside, the price needs to close above 22,400 on daily chart. In Bank Nifty, immediate resistance is expected within the range of 47,800 to 48,000. Key support levels are positioned at 47,200 to 47,000, crucial areas to monitor for potential shifts in market sentiment. Stocks on radar are SKF India, Vijaya, TCI Express, Adani Power. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.